Picture this. It's 2024, and the world is entangled in a tough economic downturn. Yet, in the midst of this, there's you, ready to make a difference. No matter how tight the budget is, there are countless ways to serve others and contribute to positive change. First off, remember that time is priceless. Volunteering at local organizations may not cost you a dime, but it can be invaluable to those you help. Soup kitchens, shelters, after-school programs, they all need willing hands. Next, consider organizing community initiatives. A neighborhood cleanup, a book drive, a free tutoring program, these are cost-effective ways to bring about change. Lastly, never underestimate the power of small acts of kindness. A friendly smile, a helping hand, a meal for a neighbor. These gestures might seem small to you, but they can mean the world to someone else. So even in 2024's recession, remember, your ability to make a difference isn't defined by the size of your wallet, but by the size of your heart. Each act of service, no matter how small, is a step towards a better world. And that, my friends, is priceless.